Once upon a time, there was so much friends, like one and a two, but there's few ones that has nothing, but they need help. Here it is. My name is Ducky. Wow. And my thing is I don't know how to stand. Please, can you help me to stand? I am gonna go and go back home. Bee, 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 bee. My name is Baby Bee. And I can deliver stuff because I'm a deliver baby bee. Bee. If you need something, comment down below. Bee. Ah! Can you take my wing, Ducky? Sometimes you need repairs. Sorry, cut. My name is Crocodile and I'm losing my things, which I already did. And I can do some cool tricks. My tricks are... Ow, that hurts. Whip it. Ow. Stop, I'm gonna eat you. My tricks are spinning and flying. Whoop! I still gotta practice and I'm gonna leave. My name is Froggy. Ow. I can jump so high. And my tricks are I can spin so fast too. And I can stick my tongue in rabbit. Hey, no. Sorry, rabbit. Rabbit. My name is Rabbit and I like carrots. I always find delicious carrots and look at my tail. Look at me tail. Shake. And blah, blah, blah. Do you like carrots? Comments down below. Whoa. My name is Catty, and I like to help other people when they're sad because they're so sad. And I'm their cat. Ow. Sometimes I don't really know how to stand, and my tricks are I can use my tail and spin like others because that's my tricks. So, whoa. The end.